Hello my students, how are you? Look at with me about model examination of the book school of geometric. Okay, model 1. This is a model examination of the school book. It's very important questions, okay? Pay attention about all questions with me. Choose the correct answer from those given. Number 1. Circumference of a circle of radius 7 cm equals space centimeter. You want to find circumference of circle, it will be 2 pi r. 2 multiplication by it will be 22 over 7 multiplied by radius 7. And then we can cancel 7 divided by 7 equal 1. 1 times 22, 22 times 2 equal 44. Then the circumference will be 44 centimeter. The image of the point -1, 3 by translation 4 and -2 equal -1 plus 4 equal 3. 3 plus -2 equal 1. It will be 3 and -1. The measure of exterior angle of a quadrilateral equal space. About triangle. The measure exterior angle equilateral triangle equal 120. Cause the interior angle equals 60 degree. Asked about exterior angle here, 180 subtract by 60, it will be 120 degree. In a parallelogram, if the adjacent sides are equal lengths, then the shape we called it rhombus. Rhombus parallelogram. If the adjacent sides are equal lengths, we called it what? Rhombus. Number 5. The number of the diagonals of pentagon is. The number of diagonal of pentagon is 5. By using the rule, n multiplication n minus 3 over 2. Put n equal 5 in reverse to the number of sides 5. Multiplication by 5 minus 3 over 2. 5 minus 3 equal 2. 2 divided by 2 equal 1. 1 times 5 equal 5. The number of axis symmetry of isosceles triangle equal 1. Isosceles triangle here has two sides equal lengths. Two sides equal lengths, and we have one line symmetry passing through the vertical angle here and by perpendicular to the base. Complete the following. The image of the point 2 and 1 by reflection x-axis. X-axis, we must put x here. Don't change the sign about x and change about sign of y-axis. It will be 2 and -1. In the opposite figure, x equals space degree. We have exterior angles. Exterior angle equals sum of interior angle. Here's two angles, x and 40. 40 plus what equal 120. We can find the result by difference between them. It will be 80 degree. The measure of exterior angle equals sum of two interior angles without behind it. So x will be 80 degree. X, Y, Z is triangle. Measure of angle Y equal 80 degree and x, y equal 3 centimeter, x, z equal 5 centimeters, then y, z equal space. We can use Pythagorean theorem. Drawing right angle triangle here at y and xy 3 centimeter and yz, he asked about yz, give us xz equal 5 centimeter. To find zy by using theorem about Pythagoras, hypotenuse here 5 power 2, subtract the side here 3 power 2, it will be 25 subtract 3 power 2 equal 9. The result will be 16, and then you can find the square root about 16, it will be 4 centimeter. Question number 4. ABCD is a parallelogram in which measure of angle A equal 100 degree. Then measure of angle B plus measure of angle D equal what? We can draw the parallelogram here. ABCD. Measure of angle A 100 degree. Then measure of angle C 100 degree. Then measure of angle P plus measure of angle D equal what? You can find the measure of angle B by subtract 100 from 180. So this angle, the measure of D equal 80 degree, and then measure of angle B equal 80 degree because each two opposite angles are equal in measure. 80 plus 80, B is 80 degree, and D 80 degree. 80 plus 80 equal 160 degree. Okay. The sum of the measure of the interior angles of triangle equal 180. In the opposite figure, you want to find the measure of angle ACD. ACD, this angle. This is the exterior angle about triangle, such that D belonging to the ray BC, then measure of angle DCA equal measure of angle A plus measure of angle B. It will be 25 plus 25 equal 50 degree. Look at question number 4 in the opposite figure. AP parallel to DC, measure of angle DAC 30 degree, measure of angle AMB 70 degree, measure of angle MBC equal 40 degree. You want to find the measure of angle AMB. What is this? AMB equals 70. He asked about ABC. Prove that ABCD is parallelogram. Who can tell me? We have two sides parallel. If you prove that the another two opposite angle DA and CB are parallel, so this figure will be parallelogram. Okay, we can find the measure of angle C here, or measure of angle D equal measure of angle B here. To find the parallelogram here, we have two sides parallel, then an AC cut of them. The measure of angle C equals 30 degree. Okay, alternate angle here, and if you prove that this angle D equal measure of angle B, then TA will be parallel to CB. First, you can find the measure of angle D by exterior angle about this triangle, such that P is pointing to this point, pointing to the ray DM. Then measure of angle AMB, this angle, okay, equal measure of angle ADM plus measure of angle DAM equal 70 degree. Then measure of angle ADM, it will be what? 70 subtract by 30 equal 40 degree. Okay, it will be 40 degree because 70 is the exterior angles about this triangle. Then measure of angle B will be equal measure of angle D equal 40 degree alternate angles. Then DA will be parallel to CP, and such that AP was parallel to DC, then ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, ABCD is parallelogram because we have two opposite angles are parallel. AP parallel to DC and AD parallel to BC. Use the translation xy to x plus 2 and y plus 3 to find the point of the image. We can find the point whose image is. It's the image. We want to find the original point here. x and y. 2 plus 0 equal 2. 3 plus 0 equal 3. Okay, in this example he asked about to find the image, to find the point whose image is it's the image of the point. What? 0 plus 2 equal 2 and 0 plus 3 equal 3. Okay, so the original point will be 0 and 0. The point will be 0 and 0. The image it will be 2 and 3 by this translation. Okay, so the point will be 0 and 0. It's the original point. Question number 5. In the opposite figure, find the length about BC and the area of triangle. To find the length about BC, you must find the length about BT and DC, and the next step you can add the two lengths together. First, we can find the length about DB by Pythagoras theorem. DB power 2 equal ED power 2, subtract, we can find the longest here, EP power 2, the hypotenuse, about this triangle. Look at this triangle, it will be what? The hypotenuse. And this side we called it AD power 2. 26 power 2, subtract AD power 2, and then we can find the square root about them using to calculate. 26 power 2 subtract 24 power 2, it will be 100. Square root about 100 equal 10 centimeter, because triangle ADB is right angle triangle at D. Okay, right angle triangle at D, then EB equal or DB equal 10 centimeter, square root about 100 equal 10 centimeter, and you can find CB from second triangle here. CP power 2, CD power 2, this side. Okay, we can find the power about hypotenuse here, 30 degree, subtract by 24 degree, and then find the square root about the result. 30 power 2, it will be 900, subtract by 24 power 2, the result will be 18 centimeter. CD equal 18 centimeter. Then you can find the length CB by 18 to 10. Then CD 10 plus 18 equal 28 centimeter. Okay, and the area about triangle equal half multiplication by the base equal 28 multiplied by height 24. Half of 24 equal 14. 14 times 24 will be 356 square centimeter. Look at next question here. Prove that this figure is parallelogram. Prove that A, B, AP or EC, ECED. He asked about this shape. He asked about the shape. They prove that is parallelogram. We have two sides parallel. If you prove that AT parallel to CE, then this shape will be parallelogram. We know ABCD is a square, and the properties about square, each opposite angles are equal in measure, and each of the sides are equal in length, such that A BCD is a square, then AD parallel to BC, and such that C belonging to of BC or BE, then CE line segment will be parallel to AD, and such that AC parallel to DE, then ACED is a parallelogram. Okay.